And first of all, you have to introduce yourself with us in very precise manner, very briefly. Then we will ask some questions related to those. Please go ahead, Dino.
So, very good evening, sir. My name is Vinu, and I live in Delhi at Sonia Vihar. And recently, this year, I have completed my graduation in political science honors. And pol science is my favorite subject. It, and now English is also my favorite subject. And yes, nowadays I'm preparing for LLB entrance exam. So this is all about me. And my hobbies are I'm also a nature lover, and I love to spending time with my families and with my friends, and I love to explore places also. So this is all about me.
Okay. Thank you so much for introducing yourself with us. And my first question for you, you told that you love exploring yourself to see the nature and to travel to visit places, right?
Yes.
Okay. If I'll give chance to make your career in this field, rather than making in law and rather than being a lawyer, like you want to be a lawyer. So which thing will you choose and why? Why you are just setting yourself, you are all setting to do law and you love something, like you are passionate about something, but you are you are trying to accomplish something else. Why this is going on?
So yes, I love to explore places, and because this is my hobby, and I love to go somewhere else, any place with my friends and with my family. And it is only my hobby. And because when I travel a lot, I feel tired. So I don't think that if I make my career in this, so I'll feel good. So it can be the reason.
Okay,
Because
that's
if I'm going, okay.
yeah, please complete.
Okay, so I have observed myself whenever I go somewhere after returning from that place, I feel tired, and next day also I feel tired. So I don't think that it will be better for me as a career.
Okay, that's a genuine answer we have got from your side. Okay, my second answer would be on your profession. Just imagine that you have become, okay, you already have become, and you have got this post of advocate, okay, and you are practicing there. Just think that one client, he came to you and he asked that he has a accused. You know what is the work of a lawyer, advocate? They always try to defend their client, and that client is accused of something. He is criminal, but still he wants to give some money, to give you money, and you need that money. Actually, the case is this: you want that money because you are needy of that money. Might be you are having any problem, like just imagine that your father, he has got ill and you need that money, and at that time you just feel that that person comes
Oh,
to
your
you
voice is
with a lot of money.
breaking. Your voice is breaking.
That
Hello,
person will give you money and your problem will
hello,
be solved.
Vikas. Okay, so sorry I didn't listen to you. Your voice was breaking.
uh, am I audible now?
Yes, now you are audible.
Okay, so I just made a situation for you that you are needy of money and your client comes to you. Okay, he came to you and he wants to give money, but you know very well that he is accused and he had done that crime. He had done that criminal, okay, criminal thing. How will you justify your answer? What will you do? Will you say him, no, I'm not ready to uh, take your this money to give you to save you, rescue you from the punishment, or you will still be okay, he has come and now I need to help him? Justify your answer.
So, so firstly, I would like to know about the case, that what kind of case it is, and if that person really is criminal. So I think I will not, I'll not fight that case for him because of money. Because if he has done something wrong, yes, they also need advocate and to fight their case. But I will not feel happy because I am supporting a criminal. So I will not support him only for money.
Okay.
because money is not first priority for me.
Okay, thank you so much for your genuine question. I have asked two question, but just this question would be addition of the previous one. Okay, like, do you think now you are acting like a judge? You are a lawyer, and you will just find the thing, you will fight, you will try to defend that. You don't have right to judge that whether he is right or wrong. Yes, you have you yeah, you will fight, yeah, behalf of that person. You will say, I'll try to defend you, I'll try to do all the things. If you are really like feeling this thing, you have not done this crime, then judge will answer, judge will give justification, judge will show verdict. So what do you
Okay,
think?
okay, but I have told you, firstly I will like to know about all the case, that
Okay.
first before going, before helping him I need to know about the case, what is the case. So after getting to know the case, so I will, if I feel that yes the person is right, yes I will not judge because it's not my duty, but it is in my hand that I need to handle this case or not. So I will not handle if I'll not feel that this is not this is not for me.
Okay, that's very intriguing answer, and I really felt fascinate about your profession. And really, if you have a good, like, honest and good in this skill, you should go, you should follow your this dream. Now it's Vikas' chance. He will ask two question from you.
I
Yes, Vikas.
I want to ask that what is the meaning of entry feeling you have used?
Intriguing means very fascinate, very interesting. Yeah, please,
Okay.
Vikas. Now it's your chance. Ask some question from you.
Okay. Hello, Binu. Please suppose that you have become an